coming at you live from the top of the mountain. Having a bit of a windstorm today. This tree is, I don't know, probably about 60 feet, 75 feet. Having a technical difficulty. As you can see, the root ball is basically detached and it's getting ready to blow over. So what I want to do is I'm going to try and bump into that with the tractor and see if I can help it over its last little bit. If not, I'm going to have to cut that down, which I hate doing. But as you can see, this is the road right here, so with my luck that tree will get hung up on one of those two there, and who knows what'll happen. So the county killed the tree. As you can see down at the bottom, there's scuff marks all over it. So see how it goes. What a ride. You can see over here, this is what I was concerned with. Somebody, with my luck, driving by at that same time, and I get sued because they got hit with a piece of wood or something. So the important thing is it's down and no one got hurt. Like I said, it's super windy up here today, and it didn't feel right to try and cut that. So, but that's the root ball hole. I've got probably a solid hour of daylight, maybe hour and a half. I'm gonna work on getting this up here and cutting it up. Sure wish I would have bought one of those green or orange ones so I could lift stuff. No idea what that weighs, but a lot.